Hello, welcome to another Arizona Airgun Hunter adventure. Today's hunt takes place on the south side of my permission. I'm using my AirForce Condor in 25 cal. I'm shooting the NSA 36.2 grain slugs at approximately 934 feet per second for 70 foot-pounds of energy at the muzzle. This is the first shot of the day at approximately 50 yards. It wasn't the shot that I really wanted. It didn't put him down instantly, but he did expire shortly thereafter. This next shot occurs at approximately 40 yards. It was a quick shot as the second pigeon walked into view. Pigeon down. I spotted this guy feeding at approximately 45 yards. Takes a good shot right up the rear into the heart-lung area. Pigeon down. I spotted this flock of pigeon at about 40 yards out, walking around in the pen amongst the cows feeding. I take my time to choose a target. Target acquired. He takes a hard hit. He takes flight, but he doesn't fly far before he tumbles down and expires. I spotted these two pigeons standing at about 50 yards with their backs to me. This one takes a solid hit, heart lung, walks off, stumbles, and expires. Pigeon down. This guy was spotted at about 55 yards, wandering alone. He takes a good heart-lung hit, flips around, and expires. Pigeon down. I apologize for missing this shot. I hit the record button a little too late, but I had to do a follow-up shot, so I was able to get that. And also, I apologize for the shadow on the bottom right of the scope. I believe I banged it while walking about. Pigeon down. As I was walking about, searching for more targets, I passed by the nursery. I thought it'd be pretty cool to get a shot of them, so here it is. And next to them are the juveniles. The farmer has a pretty elaborate setup here, and I am very thankful that he allows me on his property. Let's get back to the action. I spotted this guy at about 53 yards. Judging from the feathers on his back, it appears to have sustained some type of injury. I line up my sights and I take a shot, and it's pigeon down, just before the cows cross in front of my muzzle. This guy was wandering around at about 46 yards. I take my time as he's on the move, and I take a shot. It wasn't the best shot. However, the 36.2 grain NSA slug did the trick, and it's pigeon down. I spotted this guy feeding amongst the dove at about 52 yards out. I take my time and I line up my sights. And again, it's pigeon down. Good shot. This guy was 46 yards out, totally oblivious to my presence. And again, pigeon down. I spotted this guy on the rooftop at about 42 yards, and I take him with a good heart-lung shot. Pigeon down. Now it's time for a little shooter error. I spotted a flock of pigeon feeding at approximately 50 yards. I take my time to choose a target. With all the wandering around, my target would change. I acquire a target and I line up to take the shot, and it's a disappointing miss. Let's see that miss again. As you can see, I misjudged the distance. The pigeon was closer than I thought, and the slug passes directly over his back as he flies off unharmed. I spot this guy just at 50 yards. Again, it's a disappointing miss. Let's see that shot again. The slug travels right over his head and back, removing a few feathers as he flies off to feed another day. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.